Juice up your marriage, a blessing.
Hi, welcome to Marital Workshop with your girl, Blessing. Juice up your marriage with Blessing. And today we'll be talking about friendship. Oh yeah, it's important, very, very important in marriage. You have to make your husband your friend. You know, I know a lot of women will say, of course, Blessing, my husband is my friend already. Good. Now, if your husband is your friend, can he share anything with you? Are you jealous each time he tells you about another woman? Are you jealous? So if you want to be your husband's friend, you should be open to hear him out, open to any explanation he wants to give you. And you shouldn't be afraid to talk to you, because being a friend, imagine you're a female friend, you can say anything to your female friend. Just like a husband with his male friends, when they're together, they can say nasty things, they can say all sort of things together, because men would always discuss women, I tell you. So imagine your husband with his male friends now talking about a particular girl. Oh, each time I see Folake, I feel like grabbing her. Now, if your husband can say that to you, or maybe your husband tells you that, honey, each time I see Deborah, my head is just like, and you'll be like, your head is spinning and you're seeing Deborah, right? Oh, really? You want to start cheating on me? Oh, good. So I know you. I know men. Men can never be trusted. You start saying all of that. He's still not your friend. Because if he says that to his male friends, they wouldn't give him that reaction. I tell you. Now that he has told you about the feeling he has, it has gone. But if he didn't tell you, okay, he might be nursing this feeling, nursing it until he does something wrong. Okay, that will lead to some fornication or adultery in marriage. Okay, whereby the man cheats on the woman, because it's a feeling the man has been nursing for years or for months. Unable to tell you, he's unable to share. He don't know how to express himself to you. But if your husband sees you as a friend, he can tell you anything. I tell you, he will tell you anything. Like my husband tells me almost anything. My husband went to work somewhere. There's this girl, each time he's in the office, the girl is always seducing him, and kind of, girls, how their normal way of doing when they need a man, So, and my husband tells me, I don't know what's wrong with this girl. Each time I'm around her, she just, sort of talk, you're fun to be with, I'm comfortable around you, and all of that. And I was like, okay, you need to be careful. Okay, I tell him, you need to be careful around her. Now that you know this girl needs you desperately, okay, you need to be careful. Don't send her anything. Don't even ask her to get food for you. Don't tell her to do anything for you. Okay, now he told me because he sees me as a friend. Okay, he sees me as a friend I can talk to, and I give him my advice, and he did it. Even the girl went as far as sending love messages to my husband. Okay, but thank God my husband is an open person. Okay, my husband is honest. I tell you, he's honest, transparent. He can tell me anything. Okay, because he told me there's a certain girl in my office that sends me text messages, love messages, calls me 10 times in a day. Oh, have you eaten? Are you sleeping? Okay, what would you eat tonight? Because he's not around me. He traveled for a job, okay? And this happened. But it tells me everything, every step this girl makes, it tells me. And I pray for him. In our early days of marriage, it wasn't like that. In fact, sis, my husband can tell me he's attracted to a girl. Attracted to a girl? How dare you? Or even a girl attracted to him, or a girl seducing him. I wouldn't take it lightly with him. But when I saw the negative effects of that, my husband wasn't my friend. He was just far away from me, but I wanted friendship. I wanted us to be close. But because of my attitude towards him, the way I react to him each time he tells me something, drives him away. Then I began to think, so how do I do? Then I realized, okay, maybe I should be his friend. Maybe I should listen to him. Then I started listening to him. Now, when he tells me anything, I just calm down, okay? what I do is I pray for him. If he's going through a challenge and he tells me, I pray. So that way we started getting close. Even as we grow together in age, maturity and everything steps in, and we're able to become more more friendly to each other. We become more close to each other. So I think you need it. If your husband is not your friend, it's not healthy. You need to make your husband your friend. You have to get to a stage where you're not jealous of your husband telling you a girl is attracted to him or is attracted to a girl. Okay, it's just for you to help him. Now, what happens? Maybe you're going on the road with your husband, and there's this girl with big butt, going, and your husband's like, "Hey, oh mo, look at this girl," and you be like, "Eh? What did you look? Why were you looking at her butt? Do you know what they be? Eh? Okay, oh goodness, I know men. Hmm? So now the truth is, if your husband was with his friends, he would have to say the same thing, but he wouldn't get that reaction from his friends because he sees them as friends. As friends, you can say anything. So if you see your husband as a friend, okay, and if you want your husband to see you as a friend, you should be able to say anything. And the next thing that will not make you to be your husband's friend is jealousy. Okay, if you want to be your husband's friend, first you have to stop nagging, you have to stop crying over unnecessary things, and the other thing is jealousy. Don't be jealous of your husband. If your husband tells you he's attracted to a particular girl, see how to help him instead of being jealous over it. Or a girl is attracted to him or like that, see how to help him and not be jealous over it. Okay, if you're not jealous of you, so okay, thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe. Okay, subscribe. Put down your comments on the comment section, and don't forget to like and share. Someone might be in need of this. Share with your friends, share with your family, share with that girl that you think needs this. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next week Saturday. I remain your humble girl. Blessing, peace.
Jesus up your marriage, a blessing.